In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change fonts on Wix. There are two methods to do this. One is for changing a specific text element, and the other is for changing fonts across your entire website. Let's start with the first method. Assuming you're already logged into your Wix editor, the first step to change the font for a specific text element is by selecting the text box you want to change. To do this, simply click on the desired text box. Once you've selected the text box, look for the option that says Edit Text. This will usually be visible on your screen immediately after you choose the text box. Clicking on Edit Text will open up the text editing options for that box. Among the options, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Fonts. Once you click on this menu, you're going to see a list of all available fonts Wix has to offer. Scroll through the list and choose the new font that you'd like to apply to the selected text box. But what if you have a custom font that you want to use that isn't in the Wix font list? Or what if you want to include fonts for different languages? Wix got you covered. Within the Fonts drop-down menu, you can also find the Upload Fonts option. Click on it to upload your own custom font files in TTF, OTF, WAF2, or WAF formats. Similarly, you can click on Add Languages to include fonts for different languages. Now, let's move on to the second method, how to change fonts for your entire website. To do this, start from your site's editor, the same place you log in to edit your site. Look for the Site Design panel, which is usually represented by a paintbrush icon or something similar. Once you're in the Site Design panel, you'll need to find the options for text themes or typography. Clicking on either of these options will bring you to a list of text themes such as headings, paragraphs, and so on, that you can apply a new font to. The beauty of this is that selecting a new font in this manner will apply it site-wide, meaning to all elements using that particular theme, be it headings, subheadings, body text, or caption. And there you have it. With these simple instructions, you've learned how to tailor the font schemes on your Wix site, enhancing its visual appeal and making it more representative of your unique style.